Mga mami, importanteng update sa PhilHealth maternity benefits ngayong 2026. Mas pinalaki na ang coverage nila, kaya mas malaking tulong para sa mga buntis at mga anak. Hi mga mima, welcome to Ate Roda PH, your simple guide sa SSS, benefits, at adulting life. Before we start, please subscribe to support the channel. Unahin natin ang big update. Simula April 30, 2026, tinaasan na ng PhilHealth ang maternity package coverage. Before, yung normal delivery is 9,750. Ngayon, ang normal delivery is 29,000 pesos. Yung C-section naman before is 37,000 pesos. Ngayon, 58,000 up to 62,000. Hindi lang hospital bill ang cover dito mga mami. Kasama na ngayon ang prenatal check-ups, laboratory tests, vaccines, delivery expenses at postnatal check-ups. Dati, 4 prenatal visits lang ang covered. Ngayon, naging 8 prenatal visits na. At after manganak, may kasama na ring 3 postnatal follow-up check-ups. Ngayon, malaking tanong, qualified ka ba? Ayon sa PhilHealth Universal Healthcare Law, lahat ng Pilipino ay covered under PhilHealth. Pero kahit covered ka, kailangan pa ring updated ang membership mo at active ang contributions mo bago manganak. So special tip for new and voluntary members. So kung ikaw ay new member or voluntary member, make sure before your date of delivery ay may latest 9 months contributions ka na. Why 9 months? Bakit yung iba? 3 months lang ang contribution pero nakaka-avail na PhilHealth Maternity. Ang sagot dito, marami kasing hospital na ang tinitignan lang ay yung latest 3 months contributions para ma-check kung active ka sa PhilHealth. Take note, ang 3 months is to check lang, verification lang siya. While the 9 months contributions is much safer and sure talaga na approved tayo sa PhilHealth Maternity Benefit. Pero nasa inyo pa rin yan kung mag 3 months contributions ba kayo or 9 months contributions. So, to all mommies out there, important reminder, siguraduhin na PhilHealth accredited ang hospital, public or private, or lying in, or kung saan kayo manganganak. Okay? Then, practical tip, verify the hospital or lying in or birthing center, the new policy update of PhilHealth is implemented. Tanungin niyo mismo ang hospital admin or any admins kung saan kayo manganganak if implemented na po ba yung updated PhilHealth maternity policy kasi hindi lahat ng hospital agad updated sa new guidelines. So better talaga na mag-verify. Pakisuyo na lang kay hubby na sila ang mag-verify kasi sayang din. You can also verify sa kanila kung ilang months ang babayaran mo to avail the PhilHealth maternity package. At least 3 months ba or 6 months or 9 months. Next is magkano diba ang contributions ngayon? So para sa voluntary members, around 500 pesos per month pa rin ang contribution. So kung 500 pesos per month, then multiply by 9 months contributions, that's around 4,500 pesos in total. And dito, in that contribution, secured ka ang eligibility mo for the PhilHealth maternity. So kung gusto mo ng stress-free na maternity experience, make sure to have the latest 9 months contributions before your date of delivery. Keep membership updated especially if tayo ay voluntary members. Check if ang hospital na paanakan mo is accredited and confirm if updated na ba ang kanilang PhilHealth policy. So recap, mga mima, updated na ang PhilHealth maternity benefits. Ang normal delivery is up to 29,000 pesos. The C-section is up to 62,000 pesos. Covered na dito ang prenatal at postnatal care. And make sure to have a 9 months contribution. This is the safest, especially for the voluntary and new members. And lastly, always confirm hospital accreditation. At yan na ang updated PhilHealth maternity benefit this 2026. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, just comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Ate Roda PH para updated kayo sa latest government benefits. See you on our next vlog.